Hello everyone, it's Vedika this side. Today I will explain use value, exchange value, fixed capital and circulating capital. These are some concepts that you would encounter a lot while reading the works of Karl Marx. Let's start with use value and exchange value. If I am selling a tomato, then I have no use value. Use value is only for the person that buys it. I am only interested in its exchange value, that is, how much money I get for it. So, the use value satisfies some need. There is a use of it, like a glass had different uses than wheat. On the other hand, the exchange value is the socially necessary labor time required to produce it. This time required differs from commodity to commodity. One thing is to be noted as is that it is not the price of the commodity. The exchange value is actually the worth of the commodity in the market and the money that it can make. Capitalists produce commodities with the primary intention of selling them for a profit, which is derived from the difference between the cost of production and the exchange value realized through the sale. The competition between capitalists revolves around increasing exchange value either by lowering the production cost or by creating products that command higher prices in the market. Now, coming to fixed capital and circulating capital. Fixed capital refers to the long term assets used in the production process, like machinery, buildings, tools, etc. It transfers its value to the products it produces every year. They last for a long period of time. Circulating capital, on the other hand, are fully consumed in the production process. For example, wages, raw material, etc. Its value is recovered through the sale of goods. Managing circulating capital efficiently allows the capitalist to maintain a competitive edge. Lowering cost for inputs or managing labor efficiently can increase the profit margins, allowing the capitalist to reinvest that profit in the expansion of production or undercut competitors on price. Thank you.